Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Tuesday, May 3rd, 2022. So on Monday, the market dipped down. However, they be able to follow the support and put it back up. So today it's a little bit bullish, but we still don't have a strong momentum yet. Overall, it market look like they are in the oversold area, and in the short term we're looking for some kind of rebound, but are we out the wood yet? I'm not sure, because right now it's on the way up. We still have a lot of resistance in this area here. We still have a downtrend line here, so in order for the market to turn to the bull side, they have to clear all of the resistance area here, and plus they have to break through the downtrend line here in order to move higher. But let's take step by step. This is a good formation if tomorrow after the FOMC meeting, so everybody keep an eye on that one. So if the Fed is not going to increase the interest rate tremendously, then the market is already factored in, and then we have some kind of rebound. But if they increase the interest rate at the 3/4 of a point, then definitely it will have more problem to come. So let's see how the Fed result come out tomorrow. They will set the phase for the market for the whole week here. So overall, right now we see the market is already oversold. So in the technical chart analysis, we're looking for some kind of rebound back to the upside, and let's see how they are doing from there. If you look at the Nasdaq it also try to hold on to the support here. Let's see if they be able to bounce back up again. They are looking for something tomorrow to give you the phase of the Nasdaq. However, if you look at the 10-year Treasury note, the interest rate still go up here. So right now they are a little bit extended. So let's see if they will continue to push it back up. Definitely the market is still in the high inflation. But if some point here extended, and then if they pull back down, then that will be help the technology as well as the market also for the inflation. Okay, so let's see. Right now they're still an uptrend, so no doubt about it. The inflation is still in the higher level right now. If you look at volatility index, they go right into the sell zone, so they give up. So that's a good sign for the market. People they stay calmer. So if they continue to drop, definitely they will help the market to move to the upside. Okay, so if you look at the Dow it also follow support at the buy zone. Again, we need more follow through here on the next couple of days in order to put it back up. We still have a lot of work to do in order to turn the market to the bull side. Otherwise, we are still in the choppy mode. Okay, now let's take a look at the Russell 2000, which is small cap stock. It still try to hold on to that level of support. Again, we need more to put it up here, but the trend is still down. But at least in the short term, probably we're looking for some kind of rebound also. Now let's take a look on the natural gas. Natural gas, it continues to put it back up. However, we hit right the double top and then they get rejected. So let's see if they pull back down, and then let's see it tomorrow. They continue to put it back up, or they will give it back down. So right now they're right at the double top right now. So you have to be carefully too. If you look at the crude oil is still stuck in the range here. So if they be able to break out this level here, they will continue to put it back up to tap back to 118. But if they fall below here, then they can come down. But right now, it looks like they are still hang tight to the upside due to the Russia-Ukraine political tension over there. And if you look at gold it still have a trouble. So gold, even the market is going down, but gold still have trouble to going up. So it means that the recession is not there yet, but they will try to hold on to this level of support here. So we have to watch out for this level for rebound. You look at the Bitcoin is still hang around here. They're not coming down, they go back up, so they wait for opportunity to break out this downtrend line here in order to move higher. And at the Ethereum, it's very similar. It still hold below this downtrend line here in order to move higher. They need to break out and find a way to push it back up. Now let's take a look on the 11th sector of the SP 500 to see where they are headed to. So the material, they put it back down, and then they go deep down, but the buyer tap back in. So now they put it back up. So let's see, they will continue to put it up to tomorrow to come back to the fill up and get up here. Okay, the communication is still choppy downside. So this one, the wicked one, it still fall behind here. So they need a lot of work to get back to a lot of resistance in this level here also. The energy sector is the one that's still moving strong. As you can see, a pullback, found support, and continue to make it high right now. So technically, the energy sector still have a lot of room to move to the upside. Okay, the financial it also found support at this level. So most of them are oversold. So right now we're looking for some kind of short-term rebound. The industrial is also similar. Okay, so by the end of the week, if we be able to put it back up, they give a strong bullish, if they can bullish reversal here for the short term. Okay, the technology it also found support here, and we're looking for more follow through here to the upside to retest the downtrend line there. Utility it kind of weak, as you can see, they continue to drop below here. Momentum turned to negative, and we have a strong support down below here. The XLP with a consumer stable, they run up too fast, so the last 2 weeks they pull back down. They try to hold on to this support here. So as long as inflation is still high, and this guy they will try to hold up and rebound to the upside. Okay, so right now they try to define this level of support. So if they continue to drop, then you have more drop to come for the consumer stable. If they can hold on to this level, they will rebound to the upside. The real estate also put back down, but they go right into the buy zone and try to put it back up again. The healthcare it also found a support. They fill up a gap. Now they give you a doji here. So they need to have a bullet to follow through tomorrow. Okay, and XLY, which is the consumer discretionary, it also follows support. Again, we need more bullet candles to come back up tomorrow. But this guy is still very weak in the downside here. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the overall market is still very choppy. But however, we found support, so hopefully we will be able to carry through the momentum and push it back up to retest the area here. So today I'm going to show you that the 3 stock that we can buy and hold for the month of May. Usually every month, beginning of the month, I try to looking for some stock that have potential to the upside, and let me give you a couple of them so that you can take a look and then put in your watch list to see how they are doing. The first one is MOS. So this is a very good stock, but they are put it back up due to the inflation. A lot of agriculture, they become more expensive. So this company they're doing well. So this one they pull back down right to the support, and today they give you a strong bullish reversal. So if they can carry momentum, they can get back up to the top here again. Okay, so the company is called MOSAC, ticker symbol MOS. The energy sector is still pretty strong. So as you can see, the best one I can see right now is the ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil, they pull back down, found support. Momentum is still here, even though we have some resistance here, they pull back, they found support. Now they continue to put it back up. So it means that they still have more potential to grow there. And the next one is the DVN. It's also Devon Energy. It's also a very strong top. Many times that they hold at a support, they hold up, and today they take up. So momentum is still pretty strong here. They can clear that arrow here. They have more room to put it up to the upside. Okay, so I think that's all I have for you today on the market update. Let's see what did the result come out after the FOMC meeting, and you have to be trade carefully, and let's see what they are going to say to see that the Fed they can pull out the magic card again to control inflation, or what they're going to do there. And definitely that will give you the tone for the next couple of trading days here for this week. Okay, so again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to give me a thumb up, and I will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.